Hey, welcome back to this channel. Cleaning. We all do it, but nobody loves it. It takes time. It takes energy. And sometimes it's just plain boring. For years we've used the same old tools. Brooms, mops, and dustpans. They work okay, but wouldn't it be great if cleaning was easier? Guess what? Things are changing. The future of cleaning is here, and it's full of amazing gadgets and robots. Get ready to say goodbye to boring chores. The future of clean is looking bright. Remember when smartphones were new? Technology changes fast. The same thing is happening with cleaning gadgets. We have robot vacuums that map your home. They clean your floors without you lifting a finger. Some even empty their own dustbins. Imagine that. There are smart mops that use sensors. They know the difference between a spill and a dry floor. No more puddles. And check out the new air purifiers. They use lasers to find dust. Then they clean the air so you can breathe easy. These new gadgets are just the beginning. Cleaning is about to get a whole lot easier. Robots aren't just for science fiction anymore. They're here to help us clean. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, your robot has already vacuumed, mopped, and dusted. That's the power of robots. These robots are packed with sensors. They can see, navigate, and even learn your home's layout. No more bumping into furniture. And the best part? They work while you relax. Spend more time doing the things you love. Let the robots handle the cleaning. Robot vacuums have been around for a while, but they're getting smarter and more powerful all the time. Early robot vacuums just bumped around randomly, but new models use lasers and cameras to map your home. They know where they've been and where they need to go. Some robot vacuums can even connect to your smartphone. Control them from anywhere. Start cleaning while you're at work. Come home to a sparkling clean floor. And don't forget about self-emptying dustbins. No more touching that icky dust. Robot vacuums are getting more convenient every day. Section 5. Smart homes, smart cleaning. Remember those old cartoons with talking houses? The future is here. Smart homes are becoming more common, and that means smarter cleaning too. Imagine this. Your smart home knows when you're out, it tells your robot vacuum to start cleaning, it adjusts the air purifier for optimal freshness, all automatically. You can even use your voice to control your cleaning gadgets. Hey, smart home, tell the robot to clean the kitchen. It's like magic. Smart homes and smart cleaning gadgets work together. They create a cleaner, healthier, and more convenient living space for you. Section 6. We still need humans. With all these amazing gadgets and robots, you might think humans are obsolete. But that's not true. We still play an important role in the future of cleaning. Robots are great at routine tasks. But humans are better at problem-solving and detail work. Need to clean a delicate vase? Better call a human. We also need humans to design, build, and program all these amazing cleaning technologies. So rest assured, your cleaning skills won't be going to waste. Section 7. The future of cleaning is now. The future of cleaning is full of possibilities. What exciting innovations can we expect to see in the coming years? Imagine self-cleaning surfaces. No more scrubbing. Or nanobots that clean your home at the microscopic level. Talk about spotless. We might even see robots that can fold laundry, wash dishes, and even clean windows. The possibilities are endless. One thing is certain. The future of cleaning is going to be amazing. Section 8. Cleaning will be fun, really. Cleaning might not be your favorite activity right now. But in the future, it could actually be fun. Imagine controlling your cleaning robots with a virtual reality headset. It's like a video game, but you're actually getting things done. Or how about cleaning competitions with your friends? Whose robot vacuum can clean the fastest? The future of cleaning is all about making chores more enjoyable. Section 9. A cleaner future for everyone. The future of cleaning isn't just about convenience. It's about creating a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable world for everyone. With less time spent on chores, we'll have more time for the things that matter most: family, friends, and exploring our passions. So let's embrace the future of cleaning with open arms. It's a future full of shiny surfaces, sparkling floors, and more free time for everyone. Let's get cleaning. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content like these.